What is going on, guys and girls? As I spoke about at the beginning this year, the markets are absolutely ripe with opportunity and they're all starting to come into fruition. I'm talking cryptocurrency market, I'm talking about equities, commodities, currencies. There's an abundance of opportunity out there if you know how to take advantage of it. So I know that you degenerates, what you want me to hop on the charts, you want me to have a look at some altcoins, to talk about my trades that I'm currently live in. So what I want to do is just give you an insight, hop on the charts, I'm going to turn the lights off so you can see properly, let you have a look at the positions that I'm live in, and what you'll start to see is some similarities. You'll start to go, okay, well, there's strategy behind this, there's systemization behind this. Everything has a plan, there's a blueprint behind how we operate and trade in order to become consistently profitable. And you'll start seeing the similarities in where I'm opening positions, you'll start seeing similarities where my stop losses are. So it gives you that overall insight into how I trade the markets, the momentum that I look for. And yeah, I'm going to have a look at some altcoins which I'm currently live in, show you those positions. We've got some good profit running. So let's dig into it and have a look at these charts. You looking at these charts, bud? You looking at these charts? Say hello. Woo! Mr. Biggie. Good boy. So this is the crypto market. This is all the coins that I watch. I've been covering this since last week and went over in depth on Monday and also yesterday of the altcoins that I was watching, what I expected to happen to Bitcoin's price and the overall crypto market in general. So let's actually just have a look at the ones which I'm live in, and you'll see the price action is extremely similar on these entries because this is how we trade all assets. What we do is we have strategies and systems, so we're using systemization in order to consistently bank profit from the markets. That's what it's all about, having a blueprint laid out, right? Knowing exactly what you do relevant to the environment that we see. So this is Link, this is the first one that I'm live in. I executed this yesterday. We can see very easy breakout retest. Here's a position which I broke down in full, waiting for it on Monday's market update, and then also yesterday covered it in full on our market update yesterday, so that's running nicely. Another one which we ended up executing, this was today, was Algo. Same thing, break and retest, very easy. And then these entries are what we call, this is a strategy. This strategy is a CBO. So this is a break and retest, this is a CBO on the lower time frames. Another crypto position I'm in is ZRX. Let's have a look at that one. On the daily time frame, you can see the same thing, right? Break and retest, it's all very similar. You see these patterns play out over and over again, and we know exactly how to take advantage of them. ZRX is running beautifully as well, beautifully into profit, risk removed about 50% on this one. My risk on Link is completely removed and Algo is completely open at the moment. So we're running decent profit across the crypto markets, using the entries, using the strategies on how we trade different asset classes, and it seems to be playing out pretty perfectly at the moment. We can bank some really good moves. I mean, this is a 9% move if it plays out to our full target, which I covered yesterday. Algo, this will be a 15% move if it plays out to full target. Link, 9% move if we play out to full target. And my targets aren't ambitious, guys. My targets aren't huge. Like I say, this is how we trade all the different asset classes. It's based off the Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci wave patterns. So we can see this in crypto. We usually blow through those levels over and over again. So they're not hugely ambitious targets. So it's very likely that it could play out and hit all of these into full profit. Other trades, equities, I'm in MJ. I ended up entering this position early January. This is in the cannabis sector. I've been covering this in TMC Hype, our weekly free newsletter, each week for, I don't know, a good while now. Covered it in market updates. Rep's been covering it in insights. This has been a position we've been waiting on for a good long time. It's finally starting to move with bullish momentum. I'm about 30% up on this cannabis play at the moment. Another one's Aurora, but I'm not going to dig into that one because it's very similar. And then today I executed a long on Boeing, ticker BA, where we finally had this breakout that we've been waiting for. This is an SBO strategy. This is how we trade this breakout, similar to what you saw in the crypto. So I'm live in this position right now as well, but momentum has just started on this. The whole of this equity play, this BA, this Boeing, this is all about the reopening of the economy. This is a reopening play and something that we've been wanting to execute now. I mean, we've been talking about it since December. It's been in the TMC Hype newsletter several times. So make sure that you're subscribed to those newsletters. They're free, but they're full of information. They're easy to read through and they pop out every week. So make sure you're on that list. And then lastly, I executed this earlier today and it's now rocketing. Look at that. I didn't even know it was rocketing like that. Let's go, champ. Let's go, champ. So this is a silver short, this silver long, sorry. This is a play which I've been waiting for from December as well. I've covered this one off in multiple TMC hypes, in all the market updates, etc. So lots of people within our club have actually caught this. And now it's starting to rocket ship. This is a big one. If it hits my full target, relevant to those Fibonacci extensions like I talked about on the crypto chart, then this will be a 19% move and an absolutely epic one. So huge potential amount of return there. It's been a good start to the year. So I hope you all enjoyed that. As I said, the opportunity in these markets is absolutely ripe right now. Equities, cryptos, currencies, commodities, it's huge potential returns here. So let's see how these play out. I'll keep you guys and girls updated as we go along. If you want to get full insights into all of these, how I enter them, where my stops are, the strategies which we actually use, obviously make sure to check out TMC because that's what we do there. And we're doing webinars on a twice a week basis. A rec does 1 to 2 webinars a week. So we've got that constant stream of information of exactly how we trade the markets, what we're looking for, etc., etc. We've been covering these altcoins since last week, and they've come into fruition, given us those opportunities and are running in good profit. And that's what this year's about, baby. Abundance 2021, let's get it.